In this video, we'll help you quickly prepare your data so you can upload your customer information into Totango. You'll see that we've provided some sample accounts in your Totango instance. This is so that you can start to familiarize yourself with Totango, but of course the best way to get full visibility into your customers is to upload your own data. As you navigate around Totango, if you ever need to return to this list of all customers, simply go to the search bar and type all customers. You'll see that the segment comes up and you can click it to return here at any time. The search bar is also powerful because you can search by the name of account, ID, and much more. You can bring data into Totango in a variety of ways and with our many integrations. You do so in the Customer Data Hub. We'll cover that in the video, Uploading Your Data. But here we'll do a one-time import using a CSV with your customer data. We've provided a template to use, which you can access by clicking the link in this video's description or by using the link provided in the email we sent you. Using the template we've provided is the easiest way to bring data in because we've already provided the field names in the first row that will match the fields in Totango. You can use any field names you'd like, but you'll need to match them to the fields in Totango when you're uploading the file. Your file should contain the following: account name, account ID. We'll skip this for a moment. Status, contract value, contract start date, renewal date, possibly unsolved tickets, and the assigned success manager. I said that we would revisit the customer journey stage as well as the unsolved tickets because these are optional. Don't feel like you have to have every single piece of data we've provided in the template to get started. You can upload data as often and as many times as you'd like in Totango, so you're free to come back and add those items later or add other fields that are most relevant to your business. Note that any dates you decide to bring into Totango need to be in a specific format. That format is year, 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 month, month, date, date. If you opened the template file in Microsoft Word, the format may have changed according to their default settings. You can change the date format in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets by going to Format, Number, and selecting the appropriate format. As I mentioned, you can also bring in other data points that are important to your business, such as customer journey stage. Very often, this would be onboarding, adoption, and established, but you can use whatever terms or stages fit your business today. You'll also want to consider bringing in the number of unsolved support tickets for each account, as we've demonstrated here. It may also be helpful to bring in the sales manager. This would be the assigned sales team member on the account and will enable you to collaborate with your team later on. Once your CSV file is ready, you'll be able to upload your data into Totango. If you'd like some help, follow along with the video Uploading Your Data in Totango.